CIA News Africa. I am Chidi Igenna Amodi. The Anambra State government has recorded another milestone in its drive to preserve the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people as Chukwuemeka Odumegwu University, the Ibarian campus, officially inaugurated its Center for Igbo Language and Culture. The initiative aligns with the Wanachukwu Masodo's vision of promoting indigenous language, identity, and cultural values for future generations. Government officials, traditional rulers, academics, students, cultural stakeholders, and lovers of Igbo heritage gathered at the university for the historic inauguration, describing the center as a major step towards safeguarding the Igbo language and culture. Director of the center, Professor Ngozi Ikebonu, described the establishment as a landmark achievement dedicated to teaching, research, documentation, and the promotion of Igbo language, customs, traditions, values, and cultural excellence. She noted that the center will foster academic excellence, deepen cultural awareness among young people, encourage research, and create opportunities for preserving the rich heritage of the Igbo people. In his goodwill message, the Anambra State Commissioner for Culture, Entertainment, and Tourism, Chief Udoji Ogolo Amedu, commended the university for supporting the Wanachukwu Masodo's vision of preserving indigenous language and cultural heritage. Chief Amedu described the inauguration as a practical demonstration of the state's cultural policy, emphasizing that protecting language and heritage strengthens identity while positioning Anambra as a Nigeria's leading cultural tourism destination. He reaffirmed the Soludo's administration's commitment to institutionalizing cultural education, revitalizing traditional heritage, promoting indigenous languages, and ensuring that future generations remain proudly connected to their roots. The colorful ceremony featured cultural displays, goodwill messages, and the symbolic unveiling of the center with traditional rulers, scholars, students, and other stakeholders pledging continued support for its long-term success. The inauguration of the Center for Igbo Language and Culture marks another significant milestone in advancing Igbo language preservation, cultural excellence, and sustainable heritage development, further reflecting the Soludo's administration's vision of building a culturally vibrant Anambra State. This is CIA News Africa. Subscribe additionally if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amodi. May your day be blessed.
My name is Reverend Ikechukwu Agrima, the priest of Diocese of the Niger Anglican Communion. Keep watching CIA News Africa, and God bless you.